Hey guys, it's Crazy Scared here. I'm pretty sure this is a continue from the last episode of my little blacksmith shop. Is it? Sorry, my game broke, but don't worry. I know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm way more prepared now. Okay. Kind of funny, I went straight to this. Oh, sorry. I need one, two. Okay. $50. One-hand sword. Oh, sorry. Okay. Put those two on each other. For some reason, it's not saving my progress in this game. But I'll try to constantly save it. In it. Always have 3 ready. Oh. If someone walks in and asks for a one-handed item, yes, great hammer. This is why you always have 3 ready. Great hammer. The bestest, most... Whoa, I almost stepped over that stack. And I did. Great luck, me. Okay. Go faster. Pick that back up onto the anvil. Great hammer. Okay. Here you go. Here's your great hammer, miss. Here's your great hammer, miss. Have a nice day. $74. We can finally buy the beginner's box. There we go. That's the beginner's box. $50 right there. Jump. Dagger. Oh god, they said now. Whenever, like, someone says now in this game, it always makes you want to do it faster. It's weird. Okay. Dagger. 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 Well, there's really no difference if I'm either continuing the game or just, like, restarting, because it's not repetitive content. Because it's not the same customers every time. I love about this game. It's like, it doesn't get old. It's not like, oh my god, you keep on asking for the same thing. I'm running out of money. It's like, you rarely get stuff that twice in a row of the same type. Like, dagger, please. Please makes people go faster. See, I give this to people. Not that cheapskate kinda stuff. I give my top quality. See, this one extra hit. Whoa, that was kind of a lot of money. Okay, I gotta get some more stuff in the smelt. Ready. Sodded, 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 sodded. Great sword. And 2 and 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, okay. Large blade goes on table. Gotta grab that 2-hand guard. We gotta grab that 2-hand grip. And this is why I get they call it a greatsword. Here you go. I like how it puts it on his back and not like in his pocket like everybody else. Okay, bad and bougie. Sorry, I have that song stuck in my head. Okay, I need more one-handed guards. I mean, like, one-handed grips. Pole arm. Oh, those things are simple. I need to bring in the only resource. For pole arms, I will buy like 1. And the next one I'll buy is a fancy because they're just looking a lot nicer. Hence their name. What? Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Where's your pole arm? Have a nice day. B to preview. Add it to strength. P to non-preview. Okay, I need ingots. I don't need any guards. I don't need grips. 1, 2, 1. Place that order. Keep on 1, 2, 3. Dagger. Oh god, I need these. Give me 1 sec. Oh, and I need this next order also. I'll take the 1 glit. Okay, I'll give you a while to hopefully settle down out of the ground. God. Hey, I knew it would fix itself. Flames. Okay, dagger. Here you go, ma'am. Please don't stab yourself. Ugh, I need more one-handed grips. Oh, got a two-handed thing in quite a bit. Oh. 2, 3, 4. Place order. Whoa, $40. Stuff's expensive. A dagger again. Wow. Daggers are really the thing these days. In 7 hours, I got 4 views on my last video. That is record-breaking for my channel. There's probably people who get like 100,000 views every like 3 milliseconds, but I don't care. How long till you leave it? Yeah, left. Well, I guess you get to go in storage. One more ingot to make it even. Drag that. Place that there. Press a back. And go to grips. And then 1, 2, 3. And then 2 of these. It cost me a total of 16. I'll have 16 bucks. Yo. But I'm just gonna save the game. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.